In this movie, let's talk about the backup and administration of your site. If I'm going to use a backup tool, typically I'm going to use the Joomla pack. See right here, you've got Backup Now configuration, and you can also administer your backup files. Let's take a look at that configuration option. Right here is the output directory where it's going to save the backup file. So you definitely need to know where that's at. If it backs it up on your remote web host, you could always take that backup, use your FTP program, and pull it down to your local PC if you want an extra backup that is not on the same PC or same server. That's always a good idea. You can have access levels, store temporary backup data in files instead of in the database. That's on the basic settings. On the front end, you can enable front end backup if you want to. The rest of this are the profile settings. We're not going to change anything there, but you can read through them to see if there's anything you want to set. You can erase old backup files. And here's your quotas. The maximum number of backup files to keep. You probably don't need any more than that. You should notice very quickly if you have an issue with your site, so you go to the most recent backup anyhow. And again, some more settings if you want to change those. The administer backup files, this is where you can go to and actually look at those different backup files and work with them. Now the Backup Now link is where you can go in there, type in your description. I always have the date on it, which is nice. They have that by default. And then you can also type in here. And it may detect some problems. Mine says there's some issues there that I need to look at. And then to start the backup, I just click Backup Now and it'll get started. So it is backing up the database.